Hello guys, welcome to Logic's Hub. In this video, we can find the value of this problem, which is 9 minus 6 times 2 divided by 3. So how can we find it? If you are talented, then stop the video and just in 30 seconds comment of this question that what is the answer of this. But if you are student and do not know about this type of question that how we can solve it, then in this video I can solve these questions step by step. So don't skip this video and kindly subscribe to my channel. So first of all guys, according to PEMDAS rule, where multiplication and division have equal priority and we have to from left to right. So here I can solve firstly multiplication and then division. So guys, I can write as it is 9 minus 6 times 2 equal to 12 divided by 3. Now here division have higher priority than subtraction. So first of all I can solve division. 9 minus 12 times 3 equal to 4. Now 9 minus 4 equal to guys 5. This is the final answer of this expression. If anywhere you can face an issue, then comment, I will reply your question, and kindly subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching guys.